Hello, welcome to our channel, Life on the Road with Gertie. We are Jamie and Lisa, and we have been embracing our full-time retirement journey, taking the roads wherever it may lead us. We've been on the farm for over a month now, making time for fun and games. There was always someone around willing to craft or play music or play games, and of course always time for a beer or two.
I've got the finger again.
He's assumed the position for Wednesday afternoon. He's watching his, should I say it, soccer team play.
Football.
Who's playing?
Man U.
And are you smiling yet?
No.
Ah, the losers.
It's okay, they've got lots of time. Yes! 1-1.
With time on my hands, I would take to social media, spending the time learning new skills and how to improve my way of filming. Then walk around the farm, honing my new learned skill. Back to reality now.
Why do you look so dirty? Good grief. You've been
Rolling in the mud planting onions. That was fun. We were reminiscing the other day about times like these, meetups and creating new friendships. Are we going to be able to embrace this anytime soon? On this particular day off, we took a stroll around Kelowna, discovering the city park and embracing the outdoors. We then found ourselves at Sunny's, a modern diner, for a delicious brunch. Sunny's was recently featured on the Food Network series, The Big Food Bucket List with John Catucci. We then crossed paths with Shane from the Vanlife Man. The next day we found ourselves at Curious Campervans. Hi there! Guess what? We're having an upgrade done to Gertie today. So excited to share this with you. Stay tuned. We're here having the upgrade done. One is done and the other one's being worked on right now. But I will show you partly what's happening here. Jamie's playing with the dogs, but here it is. One is done. And it's looking fantastic. What do you think, huh? It's lovely. I'm gonna cry. Holy cow! Just gonna make sure I have all.
Oh, maybe we should get the black one instead.
You're too funny.
That'd be mean.
We had our privacy and mosquito screens installed by Curious Campervans. They are manufactured in Quebec by Roll-Off Solution. It's going to start to get smelly in here, isn't it?
It's only a few eggs.
We've got a dozen eggs here. We like to hard boil them in the Instant Pot. Then they're ready in the fridge when we need to eat them.
Yep.
Eggs are done?
Yep.
How many minutes did you do? 8 minutes?
8 minutes for perfectly hard-boiled eggs.
Steam is going through the pan. And I'm going to put it into a cold bath. They say to put it in ice.
But we
But we don't have any ice in the van yet. So we'll just put it in some cold water.
cold water.
Practicing my new learned skills as Jamie plays with his new app, Seek by iNaturalist. Thank you again for spending this time with us. We look forward to sharing more of our journey as we take these forks in the road. Take good care of yourselves and each other, and always remember to spread the love. Have a wonderful day. Cheers.